Hello guys, welcome back once again. So, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and I hope you all are enjoying my videos very well. So, today we are going to do a one program that is based on while loop, and today we will discuss today we will discuss about do while loop topic. What is do while loop? How many types of do while loop? How to do this program on that. And in my previous video or in my previous session, we had discussed about what is while loop, what's the type of while loop, and what's the syntax of while loop. And we had also done one program that is based on while loop. And so today we will do one program that is on while loop and do while loop. Because I did not explain you in my previous session because there was going some work in my house. So that's why I did not explain you in my previous video or in my previous session. So today we will discuss about these things and this topic, and today we will do today we will do program, many types of program, and after that the completing of loop, we will go through array. What is array, type of array, syntax of array, and you must know array is most interesting topic in Java. Array is because in this array we will like to make matrix program, only matrix program. How to print a 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 2 matrix, how to add matrix, how to multiply matrix. This type of matrix we will do in this program. And first of all, we will do after the explanation of array, we will do how to print 3 by 3 matrix in Java by users value and by input value. So from this method, we will do this program. So after that, we will do. Uh, After that, we will discuss multiplication matrix, any other thing. So let's start now. Okay, are you all ready? So let's start now. So first of all, we will open Visual Studio Code. So we will open Visual Studio Code. So I had opened already. So I will create a new file. I told you before that if you want to create new file, then you could create it, or if you want to do in your previous file, then you could do, no problem. So I will create here a new file. That file name is how to print and I will write while one dot java. Now I will saving my file. I would like to save my file. So it's saving now. It's saved. Now I will. So today, so we will do uh, how to print 1 to 30 numbers in while loop. How to print 1 to 30 numbers in while loop. So let's see how to do this program. It's a simple program. It's take a few minutes to complete. It's not take much time. It's take few minutes. All approx 4 to 5 minutes only. So let's see how to do this. So I will write here, and this first of all, this program, that is while loop, is first of all by users value, sorry, input value. After that, I will also like to tell you how to print this program by input value. So let's see how to do this. So firstly, I would like to write here class name while one public static void main string args. Now here you take input value. So I will take here input I is equals to 1. Now after that what you take? After that what you take? I told you. After that you take while condition. After the while condition you write code to be executed. In the code to be executed you write reading value for your while loop. So let's see how to do this. So I will write here or after, not after this. So after that you write here while I I is less than equals to 30. Now here you take curly bracket for reading value. So I would like to write here my reading value for my loop while loop. So I would like to write here system dot out dot print ln I system dot out dot print ln I. Then here you write I plus plus. Now Now my program is successfully created. Now my program is successfully completed. It's take only 2 minutes or almost take 1.5 minutes to complete it. So let's see how whether it is run or whether it is successful compile or not. So let's see how to do this. So you know how to check this. I told you many times also. For checking or for compiling and running your program, you must to use terminal option or CMD, that is command promote. I use terminal option. So new terminal, you click new terminal. Now your terminal has opened. Now here you compile. Now here you compile here. Now here you compile your file. So what's my file name? That is for while1.java. So I would like to compile my file in compile or in compile time. Compile time is basically is basically called uh, compile, and run time is basically called run. So I will like to use file name for compiling. I told you many times also that file name is most important for compiling your program or compiling your file. And after that, after that you take run program or runtime program. So in runtime program, you must take file name, sorry, class name, because class name is most important for run and file name is most important for compile. So I will write here Java. What's my file name? While one dot Java. Now it's successfully compiled. Now I would like to run my program. So for running my program, what we use class names. So Java, what's my class name? While one. Now enter. You see that from 1 to 30 numbers has printed successfully. From 1 to 30 number has printed successfully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many numbers? How many numbers that you want to print? You want to change here, like you want change here some format. So here if you want to print 100, 1 to 100, 1 to 10, if you want to print how many numbers, infinite numbers, then you would like to change here number. You would like to change these numbers, that is 30. I will write here only 5. So let's see. Now save this file again. Now compile again. Actually it's hanging. It's taking Now save this file again. Now compile. File. What happened? I will take another terminal. It's hanging too much. It's taking load. So wait for it. Java compile while1.java. Now I will like to compile my program or my file. So it takes few seconds to compile. Now my program is successfully compiled. Now I would like to run my program. You see that from 1 to 5, my numbers has printed successfully. So from this way, you print any type of number, any type of program. So from this way. So from this way, my while loop program is completed. Now we would like to go through do while loop program. Do while loop program is basically a similar to while loop. It's similar to while loop. So we would like to do while loop program. So let's see how to do this. So first of all, I have to show you my notes. I will show you my notes. That is what is while loop, what's the syntax, and after that we will go through that program. So you just see what is while loop. So Java do while loop is used to iterate a part of the program repeatedly until the specified condition is true. If the numbers of iteration is not fixed and must you must have to execute the loop at least once. It is recommended to use a do while loop program. You understand what saying? It's saying that Java do while loop is to iterate a part of the program repeatedly, and it's repeatedly means that I told you that it's similar to while loop, so it's not different until the specified condition is true. If the program will run when the specified condition is true, when your condition will so false, then your program uh, will stop it at that time. If your program so true, then your program continuously move. So, and you must have to execute the loop at least once. So after that, Java do while loop is called an exit uh, contains loop. Therefore, unlike while loop and for loop, the do while loop check the condition of the end of the loop already. Now watch the syntax. Its syntax is do curly bracket. In the curly bracket, you write code to be execute. After that loop body, here you write update statement. Update your statement. After that, you close your curly bracket. Now here you write. After that, you write while, and in the while you write conditions. So this is the syntax for do while loop. Now what's the flow chart for do while loop? The flow chart for do while loop, that is do statement do statement after that condition, then after that false, there is false, but I have not printed, I had not take complete photo, so that there is false. And after the condition, here you see that is true statement. So you see that I explain you also that I told you also that if your statement is so true, then your condition will run, your condition will move many times. And if your statement will so false, then your condition will stop at that time. At that time. So this is the while loop theory, and now I would like to go through what is I would like to go through that program. So let's see how to do this program. So for doing this, I would like to open Visual Studio, new file here, Visual Studio, click new window because I'm creating new file here. It's take few seconds to open. It's take few seconds. Now it's open also. Actually it's hanging, so it's take few seconds. Now it's open. So I will create new file here. It's loading. It's loading. It's take, and I will also go through that. I will also go through, and I will also explain you, and I will also let you to know that how to do this program, how to do while loop that I have done recently, how to do this type of program by users value. I would like to also explain you that. But after the doing the program of while loops, I would like to tell you. So I will create my file here. I will write here do dot java. Now save this file. Now our file is saved. Now create class name here. So I will write class. What's my class name do? Now write public static void main string args string arg. Now I will take input value. So I take input I is equals to 1. Now take do loop, do while loop. So I will take here. Now write reading value for your input. So system dot out dot println. Here you write system dot out dot println. Now you write I increment statement, that is increment statement, I plus plus, that is increment statement. I told you that is increment statement. Now after that, what you write here? You write here your while condition. So I will write here while I is less than equals to 10. Now my file is completed. See that it's take only me 1.5 minutes. 1.5 minutes it take. Now after that, what you do? You compile your file, and after that the compiling then run your program. So what to do? What I use? I use terminal option for compiling and new terminal. Whether you could also use CMD, that is command promote. You got it from search bar. Now my terminal is open. Now I would like to compile my file. So for compiling, I told you many times also, for compiling your file name is most important, and for running your class name is most important. Take few seconds to open fully. So wait. So I will like to write my compiling statement. So Java while showing red line. I'll save this. It actually shows that line because I had done this program already before. I done this program before already, so it's so error. Now here you compile your file. Now I will write my file name. What's my file name? That is do.java. Do.java. Now enter. It takes few seconds. So wait for it. Now you see that it successfully compiled. After that, I would like to run my program, run my file. So what I will do, I will take a class name for running my program. So Java do one. Now enter. You see that from 1 to 10, my number is printed successfully. So from this way, you would like to print any type of number, any type of group. You print from this way. Now I would like to let you know that how to do this program by input value also. So let's see how to do this program by input value. If I take here, I had taken one. Okay, now I take here import java dot util dot star. After this, what you take? First of all, you cut your this. After that, you write here scan. After that, you write here scanner. I told you many times also for taking input for taking users value. You must have to write scanner format and you must have to write package format. Without package format and without scanner format, your program will not run by your users value. So this is most important for taking users value. So let's see scanner sc is equals to new scanner. I write here system dot in. Now I write here reading value for my input. So I write here system dot out dot print. Here you write enter the value of I. Enter the value of I. Now save this file. Now let's see how to do this. Save this file now. Let's see how to do this program. I users value. If one thing that I have to write here is taking hanging so much. I write here I is equals to sc dot next int capital int most important for taking users value for taking for scanning your input value. So now save this file. Now compile again. So I will write a compiling statement here. It's take loads before compiling. What we see that whether it is correct or not. What do you think? Whether what do you think that about that? It is correct. You see that it is correct. It is compiled. So after that, I will like to run my program, or I write here Java. Why it's taking load, too much load. Java do one now right here. Now I will write one. You see that from 1 to 10, my number is printed successfully. So from this way, you could print any numbers, any type of number that any numbers that you want to take, any numbers that you want to print here. You can print from this method. So I will also let you explain that how to do while that we have done recently for this program, how to do this program by input value, so by users value. So let's see how to do this. After that, the completing, now we would like to go to what is array. So I write here import java. Dot. Util. Dot. Star. 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 Dot. Now I write I write a scanner format because I told you many times also for taking input value you write your scanner format and you must scan your input value. Without this, your program will show error. Many times I told you. I'm telling you because you would remember, you would like to remember these things because these things is important. If you don't remember, then you can't solve your program. So scanner, I write here system.in. Now I have to I have to write my reading value for my input. So I will write system dot out dot print. Now here you write enter the number of enter the number of I. Now after that, what I do? After that we do. Uh, uh, After that we would like to scan my input value. So I will write this I is equal to sc dot next the line most important for scanning. I told you many times also because if you don't scan your input value, if you do silly mistake in this program or in any program by just by taking users value, then your program will show error. Your program will because many types of silly mistake. Many people has got this problem because it's people done silly mistake in these things. So don't worry, please. I'm doing this program. So first of all, you save your program. Now, now save. Now compile again. So I will write here Java while one dot Java is taking loads to compiling. So wait for it. Now you see that it's successfully compiled. Now what we do now? We would like to run my program. So I will like to write here running statements. So Java while one. Now enter. Now I will write here one. You see that from 1 to 5, my number is printed successfully. So from this method, from this way, you would print any type of number in while, whether it is while loop or whether it is do while loop. It's not different. It's simple. It's a simple method. But you have to remember your syntax format for while loop also and do while loop also. Because if you remember it, then you don't judge any problem in this program. Because even when I was also learning this type of program, so I almost remember uh, that syntax format, that how to do this, how what is the syntax for while loop and do while loop. Because after the remembering it, then you would So you will not feel any problem in this program. So we have completed. So now we have completed loop. What we have done in this loop, what is for loop, how to print pattern program, many types of program we had done in this loop, types of loop, for loop, while loop, do while loop, many types of them. So now we will like to go through what is array. Now we have come interesting topic, that is most interesting topic. So let's see what is array, what's the type of array, how to do this program. So let's see. So first of all, what we will do, first of all, we would like to tell you what we would like to tell you. Well, first of all, I would like to show you my notes that what is array. So let's see what is a theory. Now, what is array in Java? You see that it is a collection of similar type of element. It means that a similar type of element is a collection of similar type of element. After that, second point, in the second point, in which contiguous memory location. It has a memory location. And the third point, it is an object which contains element of a similar data types. It's contain element which has similar data type. Similar data type. It is stored data. It is stored data. Any type of data. After that, the element of an array are stored in a contiguous memory location. It is the data structure where we similar element where we store similar element. This means that the element of an array are stored in a memory location. The data are just basically stored in a memory location. It is a data structure. It's the type of data structure where we see that similar element. What is this design? This is a design of array length. If I have taken 1 to 9, that is array length is 10. That is 0 has also count for one value. So your index your first number of any length, that is first index, and your eighth element, that is 9 number, that is at index. Your second last number, that is at index or indices we call that your full number, your last number, that is 9, that is indices, and that is the array length. It's a the structure. Now after that, what I see here, advantages. What is advantages? So advantage is code optimization. It's make the code optimized. We can retrieve or sort the data efficiently. It's make the code optimized. It's make the code optimized where we retrieve or sort the data efficiently. Random access. We can get any data located at an index position. We get any data located at index position. So what we see here, what I showed you at index position. At index position, that is uh, any number of the last is from the second last number is called index position. Now, what's the disadvantages of array? Size limit. So where It's where we can store only the fixed size of element in the array. It doesn't its size it doesn't where we can store only the fixed size of element in the array. Where we can store only fixed size of element is stored in a side limit. It doesn't its size at runtime. I told you what is runtime. Runtime is basically called running your program to solve this problem collection. So this page complete. Now second page. We would like to go through second page. Collection framework used in Java, which grow automatically. Now what's the type of array? There are two type of array in Java. First is single dimensional array. What single dimensional array? What is single dimensional array? Single dimensional array where we take only one array, not array. Where we take only one array is called single dimensional array, and multi-dimensional array that is where we take any any type of array like two or more element or more array, more type of array. This is called multi-dimensional array. Now matrix is a multi-dimensional array because we take many array in this program, many array in that program. Now watch the single dimensional array in Java. Now its format is data type array or data type array or data type array. Now watch the instantaneous of an array in Java. Array it's the format. It's the format. Array refer var is equals to new data type, the column bracket that is size. So you see that story completed. Now if you understand, then no problem. Or if you don't understand, I will give you a website where you learn theory. I will give you in my description. So please go through my description and please click this link that I will provide you. We would like to go through program, how to do this program. So let's see how to do this program. So first of all, I would like to basically, so first of all, I would like to do program that is based on array. So let's see how to do this program. So let's see how to do this. So for doing this program, I will like to create another file also. So I would like to write here Visual Studio. It's hanging too much. I think I have to now write Visual Studio. Now it's opening. It's take few seconds. It's take few seconds, so wait for it. I don't know what has happened to my system. Why it's lagging too much. Well, I will go through in this program because it's hanging too much. What happened here? It's taking few seconds. Actually, I don't know what happened to my system. What happened, yaar? Please wait because my system is lagging too much. Like I don't know why it's done, why it's lagging. Wait for it. Why it's lagging? I don't know what happened. So that's for today because it's hanging too much. We will discuss as a topic. We will discuss this type of program in the next session because I don't know what happened to my system. It's low. It's take hang. It's hanging. I don't know what happened. So we will discuss in next session. So that's for today. I hope you enjoyed my videos very well, and I hope you like my videos very well. So if you like it, then please subscribe, please comment me. Uh, if you like it. And if you have any problem, then please comment me. I will help you out. And that's for today. And if you like my videos, then please like it, subscribe it, and share it to everyone. We will discuss this type of program in the next session because you see that my system is lagging too much. So that's for today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Good night. Bye bye.
हमने थोड़ा हिंदी में मिक्स कर लिया है।
I have a problem many times. I am not ending my screen recorder because it's also taking load. Oh, what I will do now? If you have any suggestion for lagging, then please comment me because I don't know what happened to my system. Why it's lagging too much? What happened, bro? What happened? Yeah, why it's lagging so much? Please wait only for 1 minute.